anything. Morning everyone. So as I've mentioned in the previous vlog, I am traveling soon. So I've sort of decided to bring this camera, which is the Sony, because it has a very wide angle lens which I like. The only thing with this camera is that I always have problems with the exposure settings, so I'm just gonna vlog on this camera today and see how it goes. So today is a public holiday and I think I might be heading back to my parents' place later on to get some stuff. I'm not sure yet because I just realized that I have a meeting tomorrow and I haven't done anything related to it, so I might have to do some work later on. So I'm thinking of having like an acai bowl-ish kind of breakfast. I have strawberries and I have like an acai ice cream, so I think I'm gonna make myself like an acai bowl-ish breakfast. Hi, so I realized that my meeting is not tomorrow, it's the day after, so I still have time. But anyways, I put some makeup on and got dressed because I think I should head back to my parents' house now before it's too late and before I get too lazy, so let's go! So I am home, but nobody is home. So right now, what I need to do is to go through all my clothes that I have here and just find whatever that is winter appropriate. This is really cute. What is this? Damn, I should have worn this to my D&D. It's my sister's. It's a scarf. This is also kind of cute. This is not mine, but I'm gonna take it. This is cute. This is also not mine. I'm gonna take it. All my clothes are no longer cute. That's so annoying.